Kinetic molecular theory, or KMT, is a theory that chemists use to describe the movement of gas molecules, how gas molecules move. So right now, when you're looking at this screen, there is a gas, the air, in this room between your eyes and the screen. But you can't see these gas molecules. One of the reasons is because they're small, but another reason is based on how they move. So the kinetic molecular theory tells us a few things about how gases move. It tells us the gas molecules move very, very fast, up to 800 miles an hour, but depending on the molecular weight of the gas. We also know that the gas molecules move randomly. That means they have no direct motion. They have no brain. They don't choose where they want to go. We also know that gas molecules have no intermolecular attraction. This means the gas molecules are not attracted to each other. They might collide, they might hit each other, but that only occurs because they're randomly moving, not because they're seeking each other out. So for example, if you had a gas molecule here 1, another one here 2, they're not going to go try to find each other. They're not attracted to each other. That's not what's going to occur. If in their random motion they collide to each other, that's fine, but they're not going to be attracted to each other like a cation, a positive charge, and an anion, a negative charge, would. So based on this, we can also describe a phenomenon known as diffusion. So let's say we have a box here with 2 different gases in it, the red and the green gas. When these gases are separate by this wall, there's no mixing. But let's say we remove that wall, so we're just left with one big tank. Eventually, we know that these gas molecules are going to be all spread out throughout the box. And this is the process known as diffusion. Diffusion is just the mixing of gases. And when these gas molecules mix, we know it's because of the fact that they're moving fast, they're randomly, and they're not attracted to each other. So go ahead, take a minute to just kind of jog this through your memory, and then I want you to apply this knowledge, which says your teacher, standing at the front of the room, drops a stink bomb. Nasty smell. Describe how the gas molecules in the stink bomb move through the air and why they take so long to get to you if you're sitting way over here in the back. So answer this in 1 to 2 complete sentences on your handout, and then move on to the exit ticket for this after you've answered it. Pause the video now to answer the question. When you are done answering the question, hit play, and I'll go over the correct answer. So an example answer for this could be, when the teacher drops the stink bomb, the gas molecules in the stink bomb move throughout the room randomly. They're moving extremely, extremely fast, and they will be colliding with other gas molecules in the room, the walls, and any other objects that are in the room. Because the gas molecules collide with each other, they're not going to go in a straight line from the teacher to your nose, but they might bounce off over and over and over again, changing direction, so it takes a long time for them eventually to get to your nose. Go ahead, move on to the exit ticket if you feel comfortable, otherwise ask your teacher for some more help.